So today we are going to make our TradingView chart look like a price chart from a Bloomberg terminal. First, we change the background. We go here to settings, canvas, background, solid, black. First change, grid lines, we make them gray. Crosshair, make white. Text, white, so you can see it. And you can change the size of the text on the scales. Lines as well. 30% opacity. And we click OK. Then we click on the price line, but before, let's change candlesticks to a simple line. Here it is. Double click on the simple line and make the line white. So here it is. White line, black background, the text is white, so we can see it. But that's not it. Click on the line again. So here it is. We changed the candlesticks to an area line. This is why we could color the blue area under the line. We chose second out of 4 thickness. Of course, you can go dashed line, but no. We can change the opacity of the line if you wanted to show less. I went with full white. Second out of 4 thickness. Fill is the blue next to the purple for both. And opacity at around 30% to make the area look similar. If we change the opacity, you see how the top area here is different from the bottom area. For simplicity, let's go with 30% for both. And now, what do we do now? We go to chart template, save Bloomberg Terminal chart. I had another one saved there, but boom. Now we can revert back to classic, whatever we want. Right click, chart template. Here it is. You can check other tickers and so on and so on. You can easily change the background color if it's too dark for you. Gradient it. Also, kind of infinite changes you can make on TradingView. But this should get you started into a Bloomberg terminal looking like TradingView chart.